We're at 40 Fay Street, Unit 306. As you walk in, come to the kitchen area, stainless steel appliances, living dining space. Then you have these custom cupboards, closets. Good storage there, along with a coat closet. Then your living dining space. Good sized space, great natural light. As you come in, just on your right, they just added the second bedroom as well. You can put curtains. It'd also make for a great office. And you have a closet just over there. Another view. You have another bedroom, bathroom. And we'll get another peek of the kitchen area. And then you come into the second bedroom, sliding door. And just to your right is the bathroom. Stacked washer dryer, shower tub combo.